After that, the conch shells, drums, bugles, trumpets, and horns were all suddenly sounded, and the combined sound was tumultuous. The shloka. On the other side, both Lord Krishna and Arjuna, stationed on a great chariot, drawn by white horses, sounded their transcendental conch shells. The shloka. Bhishma Deva blows his conch shell from the Kaurava side, while Lord Krishna and Arjuna blow their transcendental conch shells from the Pandava side, filling the battlefield with divine sound and creating a sense of wonder. The sound of the transcendental conch shells signals the inevitable victory of the Pandavas, causing fear and hopelessness in the hearts of the opposing forces. The divine assurance of victory is revealed through the Sanskrit verse Jayastu Pandu Putranam Yesham Pakshe Janardhana, emphasizing the power of Lord Krishna's presence. The goddess of fortune is present wherever Lord Krishna resides, ensuring success and prosperity for the Pandavas. Arjuna's chariot, a celestial gift from Agni, the fire god, is depicted as capable of conquering all realms, symbolizing divine strength. The sound of the conch shells resonates across the three worlds, signifying the universal impact of this momentous event and the divine alignment of the battle with Dharma.